How to remove unwanted objects from photos in InShort. So if you want to remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with search, and under search you need to search for InShort. Make sure that you've installed the application. After that, you can go with the photo that you would like to edit. Tap on photo and then select a photo. After selecting your photos, now if you want to remove the unwanted objects, like for example, I want to remove the background. So if you want to remove the background, then what you can do is just simply swipe, and here you will have remove option or cutout option. So you just need to simply go with that. Wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that the objects from the background has been removed. Now you can also go with the outline, and here you will have your outline. So you can just simply choose the outlines, any outlines that you're comfortable with, and after that go with the tick, and that's it. That's how you can remove the unwanted objects from your photos in InShort. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.